All right, thanks for staying with us at midday. Dr. David Graff joins us live to answer your pet health questions, so give us a call. And who do you have here
This
right
is
now?
Katie. Katie's from Cedar Rapids Animal Care and Control. She's a 10-year-old spayed female, and she's also front declawed. And she was, her owner couldn't have her because she had to move out of her apartment, and so she was with her parents, and they have 2 other cats, and it didn't work out.
Yeah, personality conflicts, perhaps.
But she's been very well cared for. She makes somebody a really good home.
Yeah, and she's very alert.
A 1-cat household would be ideal.
Okay. Well, you can definitely adopt her. Call Cedar Rapids Animal Care and Control. Right now we have Glora on the phone with a question for us today. Go ahead, Glora.
Yes, good morning, doctor.
Good morning.
If a dog is on antibiotics for a bacterial infection, is there a chance for a yeast infection in this animal?
Well, the answer is yes, but yeast infections in dogs and cats are a little bit different than yeast infections in humans.
Okay.
Dogs get them primarily on the skin, around the toes, feet. It's usually a skin disease. They don't usually get urinary tract yeast infections like people do.
Okay.
So if you see brown around your dog's mouth where it's moist, or on the foot,
is that like almost like a thrush? Or
well, it's a yeast called Malassezia.
Malassezia,
and it's a normal inhabitant of the skin, and it overgrows under the conditions of temperature and humidity. So dogs that go outside in the summer and their feet are wet all the time because the grass is wet, and then they lick, they frequently will get brown staining, and that's not just from the saliva. That can also be, and frequently is, from yeast that's also growing. And yeast can grow anywhere on the body. Okay. All right. But it likes to go in the ears and around the mouth and on the feet.
Moist places. Yeah.
Moist places.
All right. Well, we do have another caller on the line. Go ahead, Kevin.
Yeah, I just got a miniature poodle. Can you use baby wipes on it when it comes in from outside?
Baby wipes on the feet, or on the? Yeah, you can use baby wipes. I don't know what's in baby wipes. Alcohol? I don't know.
No, I don't think ours have alcohol in them. That's a good question, though.
If you want, I've got a home remedy for you. If you want to, if your dogs have any yeast problem on the feet, you can mix 1 part distilled water. No. 2 parts distilled water and 1 part white vinegar, and you can spray that daily, and that retards the growth of yeast. Okay. And baby wipes may do the same thing. I'm not sure what's the composition of baby wipes is. But.
Well, and it probably would help get, if they're outside, salt and sand off their feet if they're coming in and stuff like that. So, well, veterinarian David Graff, thanks for joining us, and you can adopt this pretty lady at Cedar Rapids Animal Care and Control. She would love to have a home and be the only cat. Coming up tomorrow, our financial expert joins us live. Stay with us here on your 24-hour news source, KCRG-TV 9.